Hey y'all, hey my future millionaires, it's your girl Tanisha T here, and I'm so excited for you to learn about this amazing opportunity, this amazing business model that I am excited to get going and I'm working on, and I want to bring this to you all. So first off, thanks so much for tapping in, and we're going to get right into it. I'm teaching you today about master resale rights, or what we call MRR. I know a lot of you might be hearing about that inside of, social media or whatever the case is, but I want you to know what it is, and I want you to see how beneficial it could be for you to start right now. And I'm just excited because there's nothing like this on the market, okay? So first off, master resale rights is a digital product that once you have purchased the program or the course, you have 100% rights to resell it, right? You do not have to create any kind of digital product. You don't have to make anything from scratch. You don't have to learn anything. And you can 100% turn around and sell it. So here are a few reasons why, my top reasons why master resale rights is a no-brainer if you're looking for a side hustle, something to start, something to bring in an extra stream of income, something to give your family a little boost, right? And these are my three reasons why. Okay, guys? So the first reason is that you can start this business in as little as a week, okay? Once you have acquired the program or acquired the course, you will learn it, you would set up your own systems, and you can start selling it right away. So what other industry that you can learn a high ticket skill, right, or a high paying skill in less than a week, right? So that's my first reason why it was so attractive to me. You could learn it in a few days and get rolling, right? And then the second reason is that the investment, y'all. A lot of us are seeing a lot of online businesses, right, popping up everywhere, which is great because not one size fits all. But a lot of them have a buy-in, right? Your initial investment. If you want to do an Airbnb, you have to get the money to get into that, right? If you want to start trucking, you got to get the money to get into that, right? If you want to do a laundromat, if you want to do vending machines, all of these things are good and great businesses, yes. But if you are a person on a fixed income, or if you're a person that is not too sure of what it is that you want to do, or if you're a person that say, yes, I want to do something, but this is my last dollar, right? And I want to make sure that I'm not putting myself out. It's kind of hard to go ahead and invest thousands and thousands of dollars to learn a skill. But with MRR, the investment is like the lowest I've ever seen, and the return is there's uncapped, right? The earnings that you could potentially make. So in this particular case, this item is only $4.97 to join or to start or to earn, get the rights to sell the product. And I've been interested in a bunch of affiliate programs, and this one is the lowest with the highest return, which leads me to number 3 and my third, and I think the most. Yeah, this is the reason why I started MRR, guys, right? As you know, I'm in all things side hustle, all things money making online, right? Anyway, I can teach you all how to make money online. Your girl is going to tap into it. But y'all, I have not found any affiliate program out there that gives you, listen to me, 100% return on the item, right? Once you have acquired the master resale rights of this program, whenever you sell it or whenever someone buys it from you, you get 100% of that commission. All other affiliate programs out there that you would want to work with take a percentage of the sale. But when it comes to master resale rights, you have 100% control of the profits and 100% control of the product. So therefore, guys, you set it up once and you get paid forever. It's what we call evergreen. So how awesome is that? That you can buy something one time, right? And sell it one time and get back your investment, right? Literally, one sale will get you back your investment, and everything after that is profit. I think that is a great great investment. If you really can be sitting on the other side of this screen and you think that you cannot make one sale for the 365 days in the year, then you got to figure something else out about life, right? But I want you to start tapping into that side of you or your mind to say that I deserve it, I'm worth it, I can do this, right? If you sell it one time, you've literally made back your investment. And then after that, the second sale is profit. All you need is one sale a month, y'all. And you're making another income. So I'm excited for you. I hope you are excited. I hope you feel the energy through the screen to know that this is it. You've been looking for something. This is it. This is it where you just need to tap into it one time, set up your systems, and watch the profits come in monthly. Okay, guys? So without further ado, I want to thank you so much for listening to this video. If you are still here, you need to go ahead and click the link below to get going, keep getting registered, and start making this money, because guess what? All of us deserve the life of abundance. You deserve the life of abundance, and you deserve everything that the world has to offer you. So this is your girl, Tanisha T, and I'm so excited for you, and I'll see you soon.